Hi everybody. Don't know if you remember who we are.
I'm Anna.
I'm Corey, and we're from Kitten Cat Shop.
And this is Diani.
It has been a long time since we did a video, but we rushed right up here to do this one because we had a bit of a surprise today. This box right here.
It's like 36 hours.
Yeah. We placed this order Wednesday night. And we had placed an order 2 days before.
Yeah.
And we're watching the tracking and everything's going good. And our small order of a few accessories is on the way. And I'm expecting my phone to go off and say, yeah, your stuff is here. And there were 2 boxes in the picture. And this was the one we were not expecting. Somehow, we managed to get 2 orders from 2 days apart on the same day, and it has been about 36 hours, pushing maybe to 48, but it is definitely less than 2 days, and this box showed up, and we're really excited about it.
Yeah, we no makeup, no hair, no fancy wardrobe. Sorry guys, the curtain's wrinkled, but
I put on
yeah.
my nicest Hanes pocket tee for the occasion, but we've had this on our agenda
yeah,
for quite a while.
since he first announced, and we kept looking at the heads.
And we have been very excited about it because we have really been looking forward to the Evolve frame.
Yes.
But we wanted to get a doll that fit in with our crew, the rest of them, so it had to be a particular one. And thank you so much, Danny, for releasing it like the same day that we have to pay all of our freaking taxes.
Yeah, we just got back from the accountant's office today, and that was painful. So, but we had made an agreement. We didn't buy any heads. We decided we were going to be patient, and we were going to wait for the new frame. And then the new frame came out, but we said, no. We have 2 dolls picked out.
We're not going to buy a doll just to get the frame. We're not going to buy whatever doll comes out. It has to be the doll that we actually are waiting for with the Evolve frame.
Doll A.
In the right color.
Or doll B. And doll A went up, and we were eating dinner and immediately ran upstairs.
We were watching TV.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Sorry, Critical Role.
Thank God for the pause button. So, since we're trying to do this really quick, and honestly, we're just too excited to keep doing this banter anymore.
Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and open our latest box, our newest doll.
Our newest doll, yes. and Diani was our first semi-real. So this is going to be our first Evolve. Yeah, she was the first semi-real. Aggie came within 24 hours later and was the second, but yeah, she was the first semi-real. It's a bag! I got a lot of those. I took one of those to the tax accountant today at the post office.
Don't know if you're familiar, but there's a bag.
You should keep calm and carry a smart doll. And I see orange.
Yep. So pull out the standard box that sits on the knees. Okay. You ready?
Yes. I have my hearing aids in. You felt it. I heard it.
It's kind of hard to hear through the bubble wrap, but you can definitely feel it.
I heard that.
All right. Forgive me, I need my glasses because I am not going to see her for the first time blurry. Oh.
Don't be jealous.
Yeah, we left the other dolls in the other room for a reason.
I'm going to take her off her little platform sandals.
The doll that we were waiting for was Never Say Never.
In tea.
And I really wanted her. This is the one that I chose. And I chose her specifically for this beauty mark because it reminded me of one of my comic book characters. So she actually has an homage name to that comic book character. She is not going to be Never Say Never because we can't fit that on her luggage tag. She is Chase.
Chase, yes.
So
She's very dangerous.
yeah, she is one dangerous girl.
Oh.
So as you can see, came with the orange skull cap. But she is really pretty. I want to check out a few things about the Abel frame. Oh, I like this a lot.
Still same kind of similar squeak.
Okay, I really like the haptic.
What about the knees? The knees. Okay, 'cause she's got shorts on. Okay, so this is, oh, well, I'm gonna do the front knee so you guys can see. So she's the most recent old frame. Up and down. Okay. Move her thigh up. So they're
Yeah.
yeah. She can do a high kick, you can't. Sorry, sweetie.
I am seeing where it's actually bunching up the underwear.
Yeah. Oh.
I think it may actually have slightly limited.
Oh. Now we can show one other because she's supposed to be able to go back. That's as far back as Diani can go. It's just straight back.
What do you mean?
Just her leg won't go back and won't go any wider than this.
Okay.
If I remember correctly, she can go a lot wider.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. 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 This compared to that.
I am extremely happy with this. Extremely happy with the new frame. I have been waiting for this for a very long time.
She's already got her yoga outfit.
Standing on her own.
That is
So-
the funnest trick to show people.
I am pleased with everything about this doll. Now,
Somebody said the new ones are, I'm going to take her stand out, but somebody said they're ½ inch shorter.
well, it's yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
just a tiny skosh. You can see it in the shoulder to shoulder.
Yeah, a little bit smaller,
Just
but
a teeny bit.
I'm okay
Just
with
a
that
teeny
because
bit.
it gives us a little bit of variety.
Yeah. Sing
Okay,
the dunk dunk.
I'm not. The haptic on the torso is
Uh-huh.
a little wider.
Ah.
The spacing on it is a little more. Oh, that
Oh.
that neck is way more flexible.
Can't do that.
Way more flexible.
Arms should be roughly the same. I don't see. So, yeah.
There is actually haptic when you pull it out.
Yeah. Oh.
So it is ribbed so that you got that same clickety 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 as you pull
Okay.
the arm out. But let's see what else is in the box. And then we have to do one more thing. So
Diani has her clickety clack that we got for her later.
came with the orange clickety
So,
clack.
yay.
And
Ooh, a new care and feeding card.
alright, I have to
Do not poke human eyes with the hands. Do not stare directly into eyes.
I need to see inside the head.
Okay, so she does have the eye cradle.
She's got the the iCradle in there, and we are going to do a separate video.
Yeah.
This is the other reason we wanted her, because we've got some plans for this, which are coming soon, and we're going to show a video on doing the Kitten Kat No Haul jewelry kit
Yeah.
with the new frame, the iCradle, and everything else.
Now, I did notice that Danny says getting the arms out
Yeah,
will be a little bit more difficult
I'm not ready to try.
because she may have to wait a while to see if she gets a belly piercing.
We're going to be doing another video, but
Yeah.
we wanted to see the doll, and when we started posting,
She's got turquoise blue, like ocean blue eyes. Didn't he say he was doing new eyes?
he did
We got
part
the
medium side
part medium
I don't know what-
straight. Part
I don't
medium
know.
straight in cocoa.
PMS.
So basically the same one, which we stole this from one of the other dolls. Diane came with a long wig.
So, never say never, or as we are calling her, Chase. And so far, we're going to play a little bit more with the new frame. I'm very excited about that. Very excited about this doll because she's absolutely gorgeous. So, anyway, we're going to close this video. Anna will take a few quick snapshots while I start editing, and we will try and get this up ASAP.
Yeah.
So, thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us for this short video. Glad you are still coming around for our videos after we have been really lax
So sorry.
in publishing. We've gotten so excited with so many new things that YouTube kind of slipped our mind.
Well, there's been a lot of time in the basement.
Yeah, it's,
Print. Okay, bye guys.
thanks for joining us. We will try and do a little bit more, but watch for more things with Chase.
Yeah.
And have a good night
Night guys.
or day.